Understanding the pole chainsaw, an essential tool for gardening. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the world of gardening tools, focusing on one specific and very useful tool, the pole chainsaw. Whether you're a budding gardener or simply curious about how this tool works, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and learn together. A pole chainsaw, often referred to as a pole saw, is a type of chainsaw attached to a long pole. It's designed to extend the reach of the user, allowing for the cutting and trimming of branches and foliage at a height that would be difficult to reach with a standard chainsaw. This tool is incredibly useful for maintaining trees and large shrubs without the need for a ladder. Understanding the parts of a pole chainsaw can help you use it more effectively. Key components include motor, the power source, which can be gas, electric, or battery operated. Chain and bar, the cutting mechanism, similar to a regular chainsaw. Pole, the long handle that extends the reach of the chainsaw. Controls, located on the handle. These allow the user to operate the chainsaw safely from the ground. Safety is paramount when using a pole chainsaw. Here are some important tips. Wear protective gear. Safety goggles, gloves, and a hard hat are essential. Check the surroundings. Ensure the area is clear of people and potential hazards. Proper handling. Always hold the pole chainsaw with both hands and maintain a stable stance. Maintenance. Regularly check and maintain the chainsaw to ensure it operates safely and effectively. Using a pole chainsaw has several benefits, including safety, reduces the need to climb ladders. Convenience, allows for easy trimming of high branches. Efficiency, saves time and effort compared to traditional pruning methods. The pole chainsaw is a remarkable tool that brings both safety and efficiency to garden maintenance. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a pole chainsaw is, how it works, and how to use it safely. Happy gardening, and see you in our next video.